Hey everyone! In this video we take a look at how to get started with SPAPI call optimization. We will explore tools that help you understand your current SPAPI call volume, how this affects the fees you have to pay starting 2026, and share additional resources to get you prepared for your call optimization journey. Let's get started. Amazon has recently announced that third-party developers offering applications to other selling partners will be charged an annual subscription fee as well as a monthly API usage fee based on Get API call volume. Billing for monthly usage fee will start April 30th, 2026, leaving some time for developers to make desired optimizations to their API calls. The best place to start is Amazon Solution Provider Portal. Solution Provider Portal, or SPP, is a dedicated gateway for third-party developers and service providers to onboard and manage their offerings to Amazon seller and vendor customers. It also contains dashboards providing helpful information about your applications. First, let's have a look at API Usage Dashboard. API Usage Dashboard can be either opened by clicking on the Manage API Calls button or clicking on Apps and API Usage Dashboard on the right side of the top menu bar of the SPP homepage. Once the dashboard is loaded, an API usage summary across all your apps is displayed on the top. Below it, you'll find a section for each individual application. There, you see a breakdown into each API section and API operation. Operations highlighted in blue indicate your metered Get API usage. For each API operation, the number of successful and unsuccessful calls is displayed. Important: the data in the dashboard is refreshed daily, and it is possible to filter by application and time range. Call optimization advice: use the data from the API usage dashboard to identify API sections and individual operations that have a high number of 4xx responses compared to others. Our recommendation is to pick the top 3 operations with the highest call volume and error rate and focus on these ones first. The insights you are gaining when investigating and implementing measures to prevent these errors can then be usually applied to the less critical ones without too much overhead. Next, let's look at the Fee Preview Dashboard. You can access it from the top menu bar similar to API Usage Dashboard. This dashboard has 2 sections. On the top, you see a summary of all applicable GET calls for different time ranges. Important to know, there are GET calls that are excluded from billing. More information is linked in the video description. Below is a second section, your individual fee projection. Important to know, you can select any tier you want except Enterprise, and it is possible to switch between tiers every month. This is especially important for applications that have fluctuating call numbers throughout the year. In order to identify the most suitable tier, have a look at the different rows of the fee projection. For each tier, the estimated total fee is displayed. Using this data enables you to make the best choice for your account. Here is an example to understand the calculations behind the total fee cost for each tier. The total fee is calculated based on a fixed monthly fee, depending on the tier, and the call over age for each month. The call over age is calculated based on the total number of GET calls per month, subtracted by the included calls, depending on the tier. In case the total number of calls is lower than the included calls, overage fee does not apply. Otherwise, you have to pay 40 cents per 1,000 calls. In our example, the total number of calls equals 9.45 million. Looking at the included calls per tier, this means that we only have to pay an overage for the basic tier. For all other tiers, the number of included calls exceeds the total number of calls of our sample application. Call overage for basic tier results in 6.95 million calls, adding up to an overage cost of $2,780. Moving to the last row of the table, you can see how the monthly fee and the overage cost are adding up to the total cost per month. Amazon provides multiple resources across different platforms to help you build efficient SPAPI integrations. Whether you prefer general documentation, opinionated content diving into specific API sections, or videos explaining error handling best practices, we've got you covered. Further resources are linked in the video description. This brings us to the end of this video. The provided information equips you with all necessary information to start your SPAPI call optimization journey today. Links with further information are provided in the description below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.